I think I should have brought earplugs.
Okay, everybody keep an eye on that rocket.
I see a shoot.
That is beautiful.
That thing's scary.
That's it.
It's gonna be that loud.
That thing is scary.
This is the last thing. Guys, y'all keep an on your phone. Find out where it's going to land at. It's going to be in the trees.
Wow.
It's going to be a McNeil.
So we need to make a just we need to move the line because we don't want them. They're catching the wind up there. Well, not a lot of it. That thing's going.
It's blowing in that direction. The wind is blowing this direction.
So what we can do is we could aim the pad a little bit this way.
That's just to shoot that way.
Be on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's over.
Parachute! Parachute!
There's the shoot. It's coming down quick.
Keep eyes on that rocket.
That was really good. Wow.
You have eyes on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Right
that's
now,
right.
this field in it.
That was going to go too.
Don't let until the wind catches it.
Right there.
It's probably right at the end of it.
It's going to join yours in that other field.
Yeah.
He's descending a little faster, though.
That isn't it.
Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We got a vehicle, rookie.
Heading the same direction.
Oh, it's actually.
It's coming
Yeah, I
down.
see it now. I got it.
See how fast that's coming down because we changed the chute on it somewhat?
That should be right in the chair.
I'm hoping to hit that bull. We break the strips. I think they're all going to be in that field recovery.
They're all going to be pretty close to the same area. Right?
Did you correct the angle of the line?
I've done this. I've stacked it up this way.
Put this pad on yours.
Yeah, about the same area.
Coming down quickly.
Keep eyes on that rocket, guys.
There it is. It's going to be out there in those trees. That wind is blowing up there, though. Same area nearly.
Because of R.E.A.R. Is that parachute lock it's open all the way? Hey,
I think the tape is breaking.
is it? You think that's what it is?
Yeah.
Can you zoom in and see?
I mean, as far as I can go, that chute's almost fully open yet.
Okay. Well, this next one that we're gonna fly, it's. I mean, I got it closed.
Okay.
So.
Just cut this and just The good news is that they're all in the same area, so you guys go hunting as a group. We find each other's rocket. I think this one is for inclusion.
Four, 3, 2, 1, launch. I mean, it's got to be.
It's that wind pushing up there.
Yeah, that's closed.
Even with the parachutes closed, we're picking up a Gulf Stream up there of
Yeah, I think
some
so.
type.
Yeah, that's. They're gonna be in the same place.
They're all going to be in the same.
Same place. You know, you could try reefing it completely closed.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
That's about the same direction as first.
Yeah.
It's right above the power line. In the last 2 power lines, above the tree, behind it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, smoke.
Oh, I see it now.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Right there.
Dave, is that chute open?
No,
I've got it tied up as far as it would go.
it's acting like a little balloon. It's coming down a lot faster.
That's another one. Please. Anything but the power one. Gonna land right there.
Looky there. Woo! Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.